are leaving Mumbai and we are heading down to Goa.
A change of plan. We intended to take the overnight train to Udaipur, but it was sold out. So I did a bit of a U-turn and we're going to go south to the south of Goa for a few days. Just chill on the beach maybe.
A bit of peace and quiet maybe after Mumbai because it is relentless.
Hectic.
Yeah. We bought some flights. Flights were only £16 each, weren't
Yeah,
they?
so really cheap.
Which was worth it, and we've got somewhere to stay tonight, which is only 700 metres from the beach, and that's costing us £8. So
That's really good.
Maybe a little bit over budget today, but we'll pull it back.
Yeah, so just going to go and get a taxi to the airport now, find some food on the way, and we'll see you at the airport.
Yeah.
Just arrived at Mumbai airport again, so I intend to do a little bit of editing, but the plug sockets don't work, we've got no charge in the laptop, unfortunately, so we're going to trail away and find another plug socket if we can. Not a happy face.
भैया कहने वो लोग उसमें क्यों छिपा? हेलो, हाँ भैया वो थोड़ा वो लोग के साथ बात कीजिए, वो लोग क्या क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Oh. Hello. This is not the room that we booked. We booked a deluxe double room with a balcony that was supposed to have an upstairs and a downstairs. No. We'll be coming back to reception. Thank you. No, we'll go back.
Okay.
Welcome to the less glamorous side of Goa.
And the less glamorous side of travelling.
We're going to have a little vent.
So here's just what happened.
I'm just lost for words today. Absolutely lost for words. Got to the airport, got in a taxi, had a bit of fun with the taxi driver about bartering for money and how much it was going to cost. So we decided on 650 rupees, £6.50. Yeah, fine, we can deal with that.
A little
okay.
over the top, but.
So, on our way to the hotel that we'd booked, which looked reasonable, it was cheap, but it's not where we ended up.
So the taxi driver kind of couldn't find a hotel. The taxi driver called the hostel for directions, and some guy from the hotel hostel came to meet him on the road. Took us down this back street into this place that was called something completely different.
It's not the hotel name.
Yeah, took our passports, scanned them in.
Thankfully the printer didn't work, so we didn't actually have a copy of them. And we didn't have enough money to pay him, so we're like, oh, we'll pay you tomorrow. So that's fine.
And then they took us around the back of this building.
Got on the back of 2 motorbikes to go to our room.
Yeah, and opened the door. Thousands of ants everywhere. It was like a prison cell, and I mean bad. Anybody who's seen Midnight Express can relate to this. It was the worst place I've ever been.
We've got a few clips, so I'll put them in. It was damp. You couldn't have swum a cat in the toilet. It was just
curtains.
awful.
The bedding was dirty. The walls were soiled. It was absolutely disgusting. Anyway,
to say we'd booked a deluxe double room with balcony
And a washing machine.
Wasn't what we got. So we walked around the corner and found another hotel, which is reasonable for the night.
It's alright, I'll do it for tonight.
It was dark and it was raining, so we didn't have much choice really.
So on the upshot of that, we had to pay by cash. We didn't have enough cash, so I went to the ATM to get some cash. Tried 3 different cards, could get no cash whatsoever. Had to then find a currency exchange to change some dollars. I don't know why with dollars. I had to change some dollars into rupees to pay for our room.
Which is interesting. I mean, we've got air conditioning, we've got 2 towels, but no toilet roll. I repeat, no toilet roll.
We're in India.
I still expect toilet roll. However, positive.
We have beer.
We have beer for 60 rupees a can. That only saviour of today.
That's our first beer for 5 days.
And there's no Wi-Fi.
And there's no Wi-Fi. So the vlog's going to be behind. We're going to post a new video Sunday and Wednesday. Probably going to be Sunday and June. By the look of things, but we'll keep you posted. We'll finish our beer, walk into the town and find some Wi-Fi and
Some curry.
and some curry and let people know we're live and
Yeah.
possibly another beer
Yeah.
or 2. We'll see you then.
Had a little walk out of our hotel up the kind of main road, seen a few cows, quite a few places selling clothes and stuff, and we found somewhere to eat. So we've got some butter chicken, some buttered rotis. I rang booking.com, we're just waiting for them to get back to us to see what they can say. But for now we're just going to enjoy this. That's spicy, creamy. Oh, that's so good. That's what I needed after today. Exactly that. I've eaten and I am much calmer now. Okay.
And she drank beer. So we're going to work our way back to the hotel now and get a head down. And
Sleep.
it's amazing what you meet on the way back from the bar.
Just walked down to the beach to have a little nosy and a little paddle, so open to go. We've got the whole stretch of this bit of beach to ourselves. It's lovely. A little bit grey and cloudy, but it's really warm. The sea's nice and warm.
And a nice breeze as well.
Yeah.
So walk a bit further down so if we find a drink, beer maybe. Just have a wander.
Sit and watch the world go by for a little bit.
Yeah. Found a bar along the beach, Colva Beach. Colva Beach. Colva Beach. Colva Beach. Called Boomerang Bar.
Boomerang bar.
Some cheap beer. We do it in litre glasses. 100 rupees.
Cheers.
Which is £1. So we might have 1 or 2 of these. Walk back and feeling the snooze coming on.
But just nice, sat watching the world go by. Toes in the sand. Breeze, it's lovely. Really nice.
Just booked a couple of flights back to Delhi in a few days' time, and the plans from there are to Jaipur and then to Agra, see the Taj Mahal, and possibly go to Rishikesh,
Yep.
where the Beatles hung out in the 60s, which is going to be really super cool.
Super cool.
Super pumped about that. And then we're going to head on, I think, to Varanasi, maybe in Udaipur as well, and some other places along the way, see where we end up.
Yeah. both got a drink, Lee's got a beer, and I've got a local gin, so it costs like less than £1 for a gin and lemonade. And we've ordered a local Goan style curry and rice, so mackerel curry and rice. Gotta try and see.
The place we've come to is called Joseph's Place, just off the beach at Colva. So I just ordered mackerel curry and some rotis, but the guy who works here says we don't need to eat it with rotis and we have to have rice with it. And he's going to cook it Southern Indian Goan style. So I'm looking forward to having that. We'll show you what it is and we'll let you know what it tastes.
Food just arrived and we've got 2 plates of rice and curry, which 4 pieces of mackerel in it. Oh, that looks really good. I'm excited to try it. I'm going to put some of this sauce onto my rice. Piece of mackerel. See all the spices and the chilli in there. Now for the taste test. Quite possibly the spiciest curry I've ever eaten in my life. Like full chilies in there. Tastes good so far.
Put some of this down on my rice. 4 pieces of mackerel. It's really good. One of those on there. Look at this sauce. So many chilies in there. Yeah, let's get a spoon, let's a bit of sweater. We'll give it a try. Get a bit of mackerel. Very bony. So spicy, a massive spoonful of chilies. The mackerel's tasty, really spicy. Sauce is nice. Quite a light sauce, but spicy as hell. Really good. Really good. It's with my friend Johnson. He's got the fantastic food event tonight. So the mackerel curry, the rice is absolutely fantastic. So a little spicy dog would say. We're in Joseph's Corner in Colva. In Colva in South Goa. If you're ever in the area, you need to come and check this place out. It's fantastic. We'll leave a little link to the description and directions to the place below. Check it out. This guy's fantastic and the place is fantastic.